Well, I knew something was creaking when we were going down the road. I just want the truck out of the way because this is going to slam down once we pull it off. And I didn't want to destroy a truck today. At least the baler's in good shape and the truck should be all right. We just got to get the hitch figured out on this stupid trailer. Oh well, all's well that ends well. And this grease zerk will go back on top just like that. I don't know why that one doesn't want to go in, but cool. These on. Hopefully, this is all the baler needs. That's a lot better. Hopefully that's all it needs. Yeah, this one's not even plugged into it. You got it? So here's the new big square baler. I haven't gotten a lot of great footage of it, and unfortunately my phone wasn't working when we were baling with it. We did make 26 bales. Had a few issues with the pre-stuffer, trying to figure out some of that stuff. I'm sure we'll get it sorted out. But yeah, nice looking baler, I think. Brand new tires on it. I got to figure out why we had some issues with how loose these bales are. I think that just kind of boils back to the pre-stuffer. We broke some shear bolts on the stuffer. I can show you that here quick. So we're here looking at the pre-stuffer. That's where your shear bolt goes, right there. And yeah, it sheared its bolt a couple times. We had this jammed packed. I mean, if you've bailed with these, maybe you know how to prevent that, but I assume once that shears, unless you're very, very alert and know what's going on, or maybe there's a sensor that tells you that isn't working, but I didn't have that come across in the monitor that this wasn't working. So, but yeah, I sheared it, plugged this plumb full, did that twice actually. That was a lot of fun learning that mistake. But it did make some nice bales, and some other bales were not so nice, but we're still learning. Pretty excited to get this out and sort it out and really get using it. And there's our round baler next to it. I think I like my new Holland hay equipment. We got quite a few of them now.